side Harshita and good afternoon to everyone. Speak Anand. Wish to everyone good afternoon. Yes. And today we are going to start this time video and because in the morning I do lots of work, so I am doing that. And this time me and Anand in the class and Anand is doing some activity. Yes Anand? What are you doing? What are you doing in the class? आप क्लास में क्या कर रहे हो? Always you will erase. Always you erase blackboard or notebook. Okay? Book. Okay? And this time you erase blackboard. Am I right? Yes. Always he say he will erase something. Okay, so my call is coming, so I will talk you later. Okay? Thank you.
हे एवरीवन, तो मैं अभी को स्कूल से आई हूँ एंड आज बहुत देर हो गया स्कूल से आते हुए क्योंकि हमारे 3 o'clock पे टाइमिंग है स्कूल से निकलने की, बट आज हम लोग निकले 3:30 पे बिकॉज ऑफ मीटिंग। लास्ट मोमेंट पे जो हमारे स्कूल में मीटिंग होती है उसकी वजह से आप 1 घंटे लेट हो, 2 घंटे लेट हो, नॉट मैटर, बट मीटिंग यू हैव टू अटेंड दैट मीटिंग। ओके, सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, नॉट प्रॉब्लम बट दैट इज ऑल्सो नो प्रॉब्लम। बट आज मैं अभी को पहुँचूँ एंड अभी बहुत थक गई हूँ, सुबह का निकले तो मैं जा रही हूँ कुछ फ्रेश होने एंड खाना खाने, देन आपको मुझे थोड़ी देर के बाद से एंड मैं 2 कोरियर आया है तो मैं देखती हूँ उसमें क्या है। थैंक यू। ये एवरीवन, तो मैंने खाना खा लिया है एंड मेरा 2 कोरियर आया हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं। फर्स्ट कोरियर इज दिस एंड द सेकंड कोरियर इज हियर। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन फर्स्ट कोरियर, देन आई विल ओपन सेकंड कोरियर। सो लुक, लेट्स सी वेयर इज नाइफ। आई एम सर्चिंग द नाइफ एंड हियर इज द नाइफ। सो फर्स्ट आई विल कट दिस। इसके अंदर एक और no, I have to open this also. And here is the one slip of this courier and I have to open this first. And here is my, look at this poodle, that is poodles. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 poodles is here. I will make it for breakfast and I will keep it in my bag and I will go with it school. Okay. So now this is the first courier. Now I am going to open my second courier. So here is my second courier. Now I am going to open it. So first I have to cut the tape and after that I will show you what is this. Wait, just wait. Study I have taught, I told you. This is my second courier, my school bag. Now I am going to open this plastic also and you can see now clearly there is my bag and this is so beautiful and really this is so beautiful. Look at this. Here is, it is really so beautiful and now I use this tomorrow. Okay, so my 2 couriers have done, so now I will talk to you after sometimes. Okay, bye, take care. Hey everyone, this side हर्षिता। मैं बार बार इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ खुद को पर कोई नहीं, कर लेना चाहिए, भूल जाती हूँ। एंड अभी मैंने खाना खा लिया है एंड कल मेरे स्कूल में PTM है, पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग। सो देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम इन पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग, बस आई हैव वन प्रॉब्लम। आफ्टर द पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग, principal ma'am will conduct one meeting for teachers for getting the results, means what was the parents was saying to us. So we will discuss with the ma'am, director ma'am and Sameer sir. So that time I have the problem is that I will not explain my things, my thoughts in a very good way. So this is the main problem. So this type of problems I am facing always. I face always and I thought I have to overcome to my fear and I have to overcome my fears really, because I want to become a very good public speaker. So I have to speak very clear in front of people, so they have to understand my feelings, what I am saying. Is it clear? Yes. So tomorrow was the meeting. Tomorrow is the meeting of us for teachers and director ma'am, principal ma'am, and manager sir. So we will discuss with them some explanation of parents. So there is the problem. I want to explain all the problems with them in a very good way, because I want to explain really, and I want to speak very fluently in English and as well as Hindi and any other languages who I teach. Okay, so this is the main thing. So I want to become a very good public speaker. So I have to practice all the time English language, and I have to think all the things in a English language. So this is the main thing. And so now tomorrow is the parent teacher meeting, and after when I will come to the hostel, then I will definitely eat momos, because before 3 days I thought I will eat momos, but now that time thought I will eat momos after PTM, because after PTM my mind will be free. My mind will be become free. So now that time when I will eat, so I will eat very good manner, very good means very happily. I will eat very happily. So tomorrow I will eat momos and something, okay, and I will go definitely Gorakhnath. No, the day after tomorrow I will go Gorakhnath. So I will make video and I will share with you. And on Sunday I have very big plan for you, and I will show you some interesting things with you. So this is the main motive. So today's vlog is over here, and for tomorrow I will share with you a new thought, and with a new energy and with the new joys, and as it is. I know my English is some very lower, but I want to speak, so I will speak. I know is it. So no problem. I will speak very fluently, and I will speak in front of very people. I know that. I definitely know that I will speak very fluently. People will like my speaking, and people will definitely like my speak. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet in a new vlog with a new juice and with the new energy. So till then, bye, take care, good night, and be happy always. Thank you.